Can bugs and other insects get inside your smoke alarm and then trigger nuisance alarms? Hi everyone, this is Christian from zensmokealarms.com.au, based in New Farm, Brisbane. We are Australia's interconnected photoelectric smoke alarm experts. A question we're commonly asked is, can insects and other bugs get inside your smoke alarm and then start triggering false alarms or nuisance alarms? But certainly with our ZEN Smoke Alarms, that's not possible. Our ZEN Smoke Alarms are manufactured for Aussie conditions. So if I was to disassemble this ZEN Smoke Alarm and have a look inside, this is what we'd find. This is an internal polymer mesh screen which surrounds the photoelectric smoke sensing chamber. And what this screen does is it prevents small bugs and insects from getting inside and triggering those nuisance alarms. As you can see, these tiny holes are precision engineered, so they're no larger than 1.3 millimeters in diameter. So this is what keeps the bugs out in your ZEN Smoke Alarm and more nuisance alarms.